Everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Hi guys, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound in Idaho. Everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I'm putting together a video here for you to let you know who we are, what we're all about, what we're doing up here in Idaho, and all the fun stuff that may be coming your way. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet, down below, click that little red button that says subscribe, and then click on the bell when it pops up. That way you'll get notifications whenever we post a new video. All right, so come along and check us out. So we bought our 5-acre property up in Idaho because we wanted to get away from California. The property needed a lot of work. It was overgrown with briar rose, star thistle, and other weeds. The irrigation system was a big problem. There were berms running out all over the fields, making it so I couldn't take a tractor out there to mow the weeds down. So I rented a D5 dozer, brought it in, cleaned it up, fixed the fields, worked on the irrigation system to get it working right, put in water lines to different parts of it, to the shop, to raised garden beds and stuff like that. And these are the things we show, how we fix the problems that we have. One of the problems, like, we had to actually wound up burying the irrigation ditch and pipe so it wouldn't flood into the basement. It was leaching into the basement and flooding the basement, so we wound up burying it, put in pump stations, and showed what does work, what doesn't work. And this is what we're sharing. This is what our journey is, making something for our family so that not only can my daughters and sons use it, but our grandkids will be able to use this land and learn to live sustainably on the land. I bought a 1939 Ford 9N tractor. I bought a Coyote hydrostatic tractor with a backhoe on it. And what I do with these pieces of equipment, I show you, and how, things that work with them, things that don't work. I rent equipment to fix the property. This is the first year we actually put in a garden that actually grew stuff decently, using tricks that I learned in California from my grandmother and mother to get stuff growing. We share with people all the neat things we learn, what works, what don't work. I have videos on some of the raised planter beds we did, what neat ones we do that'll last for years, that are a fraction of the cost of most raised planter beds. We show which crops are working and how we're doing them. Now, I just retired from the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. I was the emergency management coordinator there since 2002. And so one of the things I do is I run live streams 2 nights a week, the Friday night special and Tactical Tuesday, where I share this information that I've acquired since 1971, teaching emergency preparedness with everybody so that they can get prepared as well. I have guests come on my live streams, some very knowledgeable people come on, and we talk about a variety of topics. And I also run the American Survival School and Emergency Training Center here in Idaho. So we invite you to come along on our journey, and hopefully you will learn to leave something good behind as well.